Hey everybody, it's Jay, and I just got a box in from Cult of Athena that I thought might be kind of fun to do an unboxing video on. What I have in this box is something that was really inexpensive. So inexpensive, in fact, that I couldn't really justify shipping it on its own, because the shipping was going to be about as much as the item itself. So I bought one other thing to go along with it, but this is kind of the featured item here, and I thought might be kind of fun to show, because what this is a reproduction of a Czech Dussack, which is a little bit both very utilitarian machete type item and weapon. Mostly it sounds like they were pretty much used as utility for, you know, the working class, and as such the many historical examples that have been found have been pretty crude. I don't want to be rude in saying crude, but realistically, it's probably a pretty accurate statement. So what we have here is a high carbon steel, covered in heavy motor oil here, with a very basic leather wrap. Sorry if you couldn't see it. This is a weird angle for this camera, but it's the only way I could get the box in view. That has been really roughly sharpened, but is sharp. It's got a weird burr on one side and it's smooth on the other. Strange angle. But the really weird thing about this is, like I said, there is actual historical precedence for this. This is effectively a replica of ones that have been found. The ones that I've seen typically have the curve a little closer to the blade here. I'm assuming that could be corrected if you wanted to heat it up and hammer it down. But it was such an odd looking thing that for $22, which I believe is what this cost, 22 or 24, I think it was 22, I wanted to check it out, because yeah, there's something about that with it being a high carbon steel. Don't remember the steel content directly, or the carbon content directly off of my head. I don't even know if it's listed, honestly. But yeah, so an interesting thing. It did come with, also for 22 bucks, a leather sheath. Almost called it a holster again, or a gun channel. That's what I do. Really basic little leather holster sheath. I did it, damn it, I knew it. So yeah, weird little Czech, what they call Czech Dussack. It does say made in Pakistan, so it's not made in the Czech Republic, but there you go, there's that one. I actually ordered one other thing that was on the list. Little collection. Which is Devil's Edge, which is Cult of Athena's house brand. I believe those are also made in Pakistan. I've recorded a couple of these videos tonight, and I said Pakistan both times, so if I'm wrong, I'm wrong in both videos. And what this is a Qama carried commonly in the Caucasus region by Cossacks. And as you can tell, it's really similar in shape to a Roman gladius. And you see it has these odd rivets here. Make it a little bit challenging. You know, not too bad. You can see that hilt really digs into my hand there. But it's a neat piece from Devil's Edge. Like I said, it was on my list of historical reproductions, modern reproductions of historical blades to pick up. And I've been pretty happy with Devil's Edge so far, which, like I said, is Cult of Athena's house brand. So there you go. I really had to add something on to make the shipping justified, because I didn't want to drop $20 for shipping on a $20 machete, sword, blade, knife thing. So I threw on another piece that I needed to knock out that wasn't too expensive to make the shipping worthwhile. So yeah, 2 recent acquisitions that aren't super expensive, but kind of fun nonetheless. I'm gonna go get the grease cleaned up off of these and find a place on the wall to stick them. This might be kind of fun to, the blade, or the hilt is very thin, so it might be kind of fun to go out and chop some stuff with, being high carbon. The Qama also is high carbon. I think it's 1095, which is pretty good steel. That's pretty typical though for Devil's Edge. They typically, I have found Devil's Edge typically errs on the side of rather simplistic but solid blade designs. I do like the look of that laminate wood, but that hilt is not super comfortable to get a hold of, but a neat piece though. Like I said, anyway, quick video, quick unboxing video of some stuff I picked up. Thought people might enjoy seeing. If you want to see a longer video on it, let me know in the comments, and I will see you soon.